Sino itong pumasok? Ito nang i-delete. May pumasok na Maraming salamat, ate. You're welcome. You're welcome, Wrong. I-watch ko kayo, mga guys. May pumasok. Ewan ko kung sino. Dinilit ko. Hello, Brother Lita Marak. Marak, thank you, Marak Mix TV. Maraming salamat. Thank you for coming, guys. Nag-dinner ka na ba? Uy, Tagalog. Yeah, Tagalog. Yes, I'm already dinner. I'm finished already. The Pilak Mix TV, you know how to speak, you know how to speak Tagalog, Pilak. Anong nangyayari ni MC? I think MC is so busy. Hello, Kragos from Indonesia. Your husband, Marak Mixibi. Kragos, thank you so much for coming. From Indonesia, thank you so much. Thumbs up. Oh, he knows also Tagalog. Hi, my friend. Hi. I don't know, wrong. Maybe it's so busy. Matagal nang hindi nagkikita. Oy, matagal nang hindi nagkikita. Yes. Tim Wrong knows how to speak Tagalog. And I'm here to Pilak Mix TV on Ambing. Ambing muna. Ambing, I'm here, your video, Ambing. Ambing, you have no live, or no? I'm looking to your video, Ambing. I'm watching. Kagos, I watch later, okay? Kagos, friend, mega live shout out, sabi ni Pilak Mix TV. Thank you so much. Thank you. Ang babait ninyo. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Pau. Amo Pau. Amo Pau. Papa slapping shots na. Insi, napakabait ng aking kapatid na babae. Yes, mabait yun. Okay, sister. Watching Ambing. Marak Mix TV. May galaw shout out, sabi ni Marak Mix TV. Kami ni Pilak, ang original na lang. Sige, kamo na lang. Marak, Manghalaya, Sulong, Garo Health. Mang siya na la. Sino itong pumasok na, hindi ko alam, hindi ko mabasa yung niya. Dito ako, Ambing. Naka pa, Ambing. Ragos. I make later, Ragos. Hi, hello. Ngayon, maraming lamok ang aking tahanan. Bakit? Bakit maraming lamok? Watching. Thank you, Ambing. Thank you so much. Ambing Kragos.